हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो में। आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10 इंग्लिश प्रोज का 8वां चैप्टर लिटिल गर्ल वाइजर देन मैन। तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली। नंबर 1, व्हिच फेस्टिवल वाज रेफर्ड बाय द राइटर? आंसर, द राइटर रेफर्ड टू ईस्टर, अ फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटिंग द रिसरेक्शन ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट। नंबर 2, व्हाई स्लेजिंग वाज ओवर? आंसर, स्लेजिंग वाज ओवर because the snow had stopped falling and begun to melt. Number 3, why there was water running in streams down the village street? Answer, water was running in streams down the village street due to the melting snow. Number 4, where do two little girls meet? Answer, the two little girls met in a lane between two homesteads. Number 5, are they of same age? Answer, no, the two girls are not of the same age. Number 6, why did Okulaya try to check Malasa? Answer, Okulaya tried to check Malasa because she was concerned that Malasa's mother would scold her for wet shoes and stockings. Number 7, what advice did Akolaya offer? Answer, Akolaya advised Malasa to remove her shoes and stockings to prevent them from getting wet in the pool. Say T for true or F for false for the following statements. Number 1, Akolaya and Malasa take off their shoes and stockings. True. Number 2, they do not walk towards each other in the puddle. False. Number 3, Malasa assures Akolaya that water is deep. True. Number 4, Malasa splashes water. True. Number 5, Akolaya ran to strike Malasa. True. Number 6, Malasa purposely splashes water. True. Fill in the blanks. Answer, they all went dash on quarreling till one gave another a dash push and the affair had a very dash nearly come to blows when Akolia's old grandmother stepping dash in among them tried to them, what are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to dash so? Behave on a day dash like this too. It is a time rejoicing and not for such folly dash this as. Answer the following questions briefly. Number 1, why Akolia started shouting at Malasa? Answer, Akolia started shouting at Malasa because she blamed her for splashing mud on her frock, eyes and nose. Number 2, why Akolia's mother seized Malasa? Answer, Akolia's mother seized Malasa to punish her based on her daughter's complaint. Number 3, what happens when Malasa's mother came out after hearing her howl? Answer, when Malasa's mother came out after hearing her daughter's cries, she saw Akolia's mother beating Malasa and began rebuking her neighbor. Number 4, why no one listening? Answer, no one was listening because everyone was shouting and quarreling simultaneously. Number 5, did the old woman succeed in her efforts? Answer, no, the old woman did not succeed in her efforts to calm the situation. Number 6, what did Akolia do while other women are abusing? Answer, while the women were arguing, Akolia cleaned the mud from her frock and returned to the small pool of water. She began creating a channel for the water to flow into the street. Number 7, what did the two girls do when men started fighting? Answer, when the men started fighting, both girls began scraping away the land in front of the small pool to create a channel for the water to run into the street. Number 8, were they two fighting? Answer, no, the two girls were not fighting at that time. They were cooperating to divert the water. Long type questions with answers. Number 1, describe why the two girls were dressed in new clothes and showing their finery to each other. Answer, the two girls were dressed in new clothes and showing their finery to each other because it was Easter, a significant religious festival. They had just returned from church and were proudly displaying their special outfits and jewelry. This behavior is typical for children on festive occasions. As they enjoy showing off their new and impressive garments, the girls' actions reflect the importance of the celebration and the tradition of wearing one's best clothes to church on such days. Number 2, why did they step into the puddle and what makes them fight? Answer, the girls stepped into the puddle out of playfulness and curiosity, a common behavior for children encountering water. The fight started when Malasa accidentally splashed water on Akolia's new dress by stomping in the puddle. Akolia, misinterpreting this as an intentional act, became angry and chased Malasa to retaliate. This misunderstanding, combined with the girls' excitement and the precious nature of their new clothes, quickly escalated into a conflict. Their reaction demonstrates how easily children can form prejudiced opinions and how small incidents can lead to larger disagreements. Number 3, what did the old woman mean by "is it right to behave so" on a day like this too? Answer, the old woman's statement "it is right to behave so on a day like this too" expresses her disappointment and concern over the quarreling she witnessed. Her words carry multiple meanings. Firstly, she implies that such behavior is inappropriate regardless of the day. Secondly, she emphasizes that it's especially wrong on Easter, a day of peace and celebration. The old woman is trying to remind the people of the spiritual significance of the day and the importance of maintaining harmony in the community. Her intervention reflects the role older members often play in maintaining social order and upholding traditional values during important cultural events. Number 4, why writer calls two little little girls dear little souls? Answer. The writer calls the two little girls dear little souls because of their innocence and forgiving nature. Despite their initial quarrel, Akolia and Malasa quickly moved past their disagreement and began playing together again. They demonstrate a natural ability to forget and forgive, focusing on their shared enjoyment rather than holding grudges. This behavior stands in stark contrast to the adults who continue arguing. The girls' actions show a purity of spirit and an innate understanding of cooperation that the writer finds admirable and touching, hence the affectionate term, dear little souls. Number 5. Explain, except ye turn and become as little children, ye shall in no wise enter into the kingdom of heaven. Answer. The phrase, except ye turn and become as little children, ye shall in no wise enter into the kingdom of heaven, emphasizes the importance of childlike qualities in spiritual and moral growth. In the story, Akolia and Malasa demonstrate these qualities by quickly resolving their conflict and returning to play together. Their ability to forgive and move on contrasts sharply with the adults' prolonged arguments. This illustrates that the path to wisdom and spiritual fulfillment lies in embracing childlike innocence, forgiveness, and the ability to let go of grudges. The writer suggests that adults should learn from children's natural capacity for reconciliation and pure-hearted interaction to achieve a high moral and spiritual state. Number 6. Why in the crowd everyone is shouting and no one is listening? Answer. In the crowd, everyone is shouting and no one is listening because of the human tendency to defend one's position without considering others' perspectives. When conflicts arise, people often become emotionally invested in provoking themselves right, leading them to talk over each other rather than engage in productive dialogue. This behavior reflects a lack of emotional maturity and the difficulty many adults have in admitting fault or considering alternative viewpoints. The chaotic scene serves as a counterpoint to the children's quick reconciliation, highlighting the irony that the adults are behaving less rationally than the children they were initially trying to discipline. Word study. Number 1. Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb consists of two words, verb plus adverb particle, which carries a single meaning, and this meaning is not the sum total of two words. For example, give up, put out, break down are phrasal verbs. Pick out phrasal verbs used in the lesson and use them in sentence of your own. Answer. Give up. Please give up your bad habits. Put out the light please. Break down. His health broke down last summer. Take off your clothes. Comes up. The water came up to my knee. Come out. The truth has come out. Look at. She is looking at a picture. Grammar activities. Number 1. One may report the words of a speaker in two different ways. Number 1. May quote the actual words of speaker, direct speech, or report what the speaker said without quoting his exact words is indirect speech. Look at the following sentences in your lesson. Don't go in, so Malasa said she. She said, your mother will scold you. These are written with an inverted comma to mark the exact words of the speaker. Now look at the following sentences. She advised Malasa not to go in that way. She warned her that her mother would scold her. In reporting statements, commands, and requests of direct speech in indirect speech, few changes are required. Now pick out sentences from the lesson written in direct speech and change them into indirect speech. Answer. Direct speech. Number 1. Don't go in, so Malasa, she said, your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and stockings and you take off yours. It is deep, Akolia, I am afraid. Come on, I replied the other. Don't be frightened, it won't get any deeper. Mind, Malasa, don't splash, walk carefully. You naughty dirty girl, what have you been doing? Indirect speech of the sentence written above. She forbade Malasa to go in, so her mother would scold her. She would take off her shoes and stockings and she must take off hers. Malasa said that it was deep, so she was afraid. The other replied and called her, then she forbade her not to be frightened, it would not get any deeper. Akolia reminded Malasa not to splash and further she advised to walk carefully. She rebuked Malasa as naughty and dirty girl and further asked what she had been doing. Number 2. Write extended form of the following. One is done for you. Answer. Won't, will not. Don't, do not. Didn't, did not. Hadn't, had not. Hasn't, has not. Haven't, have not. Shouldn't, should not. Shan't, shall not. Aren't, are not. Wouldn't, would not. Weren't, weren't. Isn't, is not. Translation. Translate the passage into Hindi. They would not listen to the old lady and nearly knocked her off her feet, and she would not have been able quite crowd if it had not been for Akolia and Malasa themselves while the women were abusing each other. Akolia had wiped the mud off her frock and gone back to the puddle. She took a stone and began scraping away the earth in front of the puddle, make a channel through which the water could run out into the street. Answer. उन लोगों ने उस बूढ़ी महिला की बातों को नहीं सुना, बातों पर गौर नहीं किया और उसे आघात पहुंचाकर लगभग उसको अपने पैरों पर गिरा दिया तथा वह भीड़ को शांत नहीं करा सकी। यदि यह अकोलिया और मलासा उन दोनों के लिए नहीं होता जब वे औरतें एक दूसरे दूसरे के प्रति अपशब्द बुरे भले शब्द का व्यवहार कर रही थी। अकोलिया ने अपनी फ्रॉक में लगी हुई कीचड़ को पोंछ दिया तथा तालाब चिचली पोखरी में पूर्ण वापस चली गई। उसने एक पत्थर उठा लिया और तालाब के सामने की जमीन को कुरेदना काटना प्रारंभ किया, एक जलमार्ग नाली बनाने के लिए जिससे होकर पानी गली में बह सके। और इसी के साथ आज का सोल्यूशन वीडियो यही समाप्त होता है। जल्द लौटेंगे और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो के साथ, तब तक कीप लर्निंग।